New details now on a new report on the well-being of Rhode Island's children. The Kids Count report ranks the Ocean State in the middle of all 50 states, but last in New England. Tonight, we're taking a closer look at what needs more work to improve conditions for the state's kids. Eyewitness News reporter Madeline Wright is live now in the newsroom with more.
Mike, there are a lot of ways to measure child well-being, health, education, family structure, but child advocates highlight poverty as one of the big issues to look at in Rhode Island. How well is your child doing? The annual Kids Count data book shows Rhode Island ranks the lowest in child well-being of all the New England states and 26th in the nation.
Which is the same ranking that we had last year, and that's based on how we did on these 16 different important measures of child well-being.
Measures like reading proficiency and percentage of low birth weight babies. Elizabeth Burke-Bryant is executive director of Rhode Island Kids Count, a nonprofit affiliated with the group that recently released the data.
Massachusetts ranked #1, and of course we have a competitive spirit about that. We don't want to be 26 when they are #1, but we think we are making good progress.
Progress in areas like the high school graduation rate. But some people who live in Rhode Island say it's not enough.
There's a lot of things I think they need to do in order to better the school system to make kids much more valuable in today's market, especially in this economy.
Bryant says there's room for improvement in education and other areas.
Of all of the indicators that are tracked by this report, I would say poverty is the #1 issue to look at.
Bryant says 19% of kids in Rhode Island live in poverty.
Children in poverty tend to fare worse on all of the indicators of child well-being.
Bryant says the data is an important tool for policymakers because it gives real numbers on how our kids are doing. Live in the newsroom, Madeline Wright, Eyewitness News.